Strategies for clearing online assessment. Number one, practice. As we all know, practice makes a man perfect and even a woman also perfect. So the thing is that clearing any online assessment require a lot of practice. Now comes the part that how you are required to do the practice. So number one, topic wise practice question. At the first stage, don't go ahead on random topic practice. You need to be familiarized with each and every topic which are there in data structures and algorithm, and then go ahead with the randomized questions, because topic wise practice question will let you know the patterns which are being followed in a particular question. So go ahead with topic wise question first. Then second point in this how to practice would be that before topic wise practice, make your language fundamental clear, basically syntax and the oops concepts, and these you can easily go ahead while practicing on HackerRank and HackerEarth. Basically on these two platforms you can easily uh, do that particular C++ questions which are there. Basically there is a separate what we say that note is there, in which, not a note but basically a module is there on which you can easily practice these. So that would be a good thing to go ahead, because when we are practicing the questions of data structures and algorithm but our language fundamentals are not clear, then in that context we will struggle a lot in a lot of things. So it's better first to practice of all the basic fundamentals and oops concepts of that particular language which you want to choose for giving all the online assessment. Then the third point is in context to online assessment, lead code, medium hard questions, and the code forces 1400 rating to 2000 rating are being asked. The thing is that in interviews, mostly there are chances that they can ask they can ask medium hard or these rating questions, but that is the rarest chance. But in online assessment you have more time than your interviews, right? So that's why the interviewers, basically the person who makes that online assessment, they choose those questions from medium hard lead code questions, or for code forces 1400 rating to 2000 rating. And sometimes that 1900 to 2000 rating questions are like in the most hard online assessments only. So in most of the cases 1400 to 1900 rating questions are only there. Now comes the part that now you know that what sort of code level of questions are there in online assessment. So now how you need to go ahead with these level of questions also. So for this part, sort question topic wise on lead code as well as on code forces. First is the topic wise, and the other part is the what we say, the ranking and the uh, hard hard level questions or medium level questions. In that manner, if you tag these questions and then solve, then that would be much more efficient manner to solve these questions. Now after sorting these questions, now you are easily able to solve them, right? And after you gain confidence in topic wise doing these questions, then focus on medium hard and 1400 to 2k rating questions in randomized manner, so that now you can go ahead that yeah, if any sort of question is given, now you can easily detect the patterns in those questions and go ahead and code them. So that would be the main part of your practice journey. Now comes the second part, simulating your online assessment environment. So basically, when you give, the first part is that you are required to give lead code bi-weekly and lead code weekly challenges seriously. Not in the manner that you're giving the contest and you just got away from your contest or anything like that. You need to sit for that much hours and give that contest seriously. And even for the code forces contest as well, you need to give them seriously without wasting your time anywhere. You need to think that yeah, now it is your online assessment only and you need to focus on those questions and make them. Now comes the part that those questions are like some of them you won't be able to solve, right? So make the point that after giving that contest, you make sure that you upsolve those questions, because at the early stage, if you are going ahead with solving those questions and you are not able to solve in the contest, and you are having the habit that you upsolve those questions, then you will be learning a lot of things. In the lead code discuss sections, you have a lot of means there are a lot of strategies for solving a particular question. That is the best part you can learn from the lead code platform. And for the code forces as well, the discuss section which is there, from there also you can learn different strategies for solving a particular question. So that's why while doing these contests seriously and then up solving them, you will be learning a lot out of from just one question even. So that's the thing. And at the starting, when you are giving all these contests, make sure that you give this contest for checking your time management, and second thing, for checking that um, how much questions you are able to do for a particular topic, and how much more preparation is required for that particular topic. So this should be your mindset at the starting stage, and you shouldn't more focus on that you are required to get this much rank, that much rank at the starting stage, as you will seriously get so much demotivated. So make a mindset that you are giving this question contest seriously, and you are just checking your practice and even how you are managing your time. Now comes the third part. That till now you have practiced a lot, right? Now comes the part for the online assessment. As you have practiced a lot in a wisely manner, so now comes the part that how you are required to do your online assessments. So for your online assessment, you just need to manage your time in that online assessment. All the questions which are there, pick them wisely, or even if you are not able to pick them wisely, then even if whatever question you pick up first, if you are able to solve that, then it's fine. If you are not able to solve that, then move ahead to the next question rather than spending a lot of time at that particular question. So remember, the way we have our assessment during our school times, during our college time, just before our final test, so like that manner only, all these contests which are there, lead code contest and code forces contest, all these will help in our final assessment. So be prepared well and go ahead. All the best.